I've been trying to remedy a P0410, so P0410 check engine light code, and I found that it could be this. It's a secondary air pump, and I replaced it, and it did not fix the problem. Easy to fix though, or easy to put in, just one bolt, pull it apart pretty much. Replace the rubber onto the new pump and put it in. And then there's a 40 amp fuse and a relay, and this is the new relay that I put in. Looks like I didn't need it, and so I did the pump first, then I did the relay, and then I finally came over and I put because at the top of the fuse, it looks good in there, right? But look at this. Then I saw that, and then look at this. So it could be just your 40 amp fuse, which I believe that's what my problem was. And I did all this other extra stuff. And then I'll show you the location of the parts. And this is a 2006 ML500, and this was this one, right? It's right here, this top orange one, and this is the relay that I replaced. And I'll show you the other side of the relay. So it has a number on it. This is the old one, replaced, and this is what the new one looks like. And this is what the new relay part number is on the box. And what else can I tell you? I'm gonna run it and see if I fix the problem, but I believe I fixed the problem. When you look at that guy, and it's just beat. There you go. Those are the three things that I looked at. It could be a hose here, like I think I replaced this hose before. Maybe a crack in this hose here that comes out of the pump. Those are the things I found. Not a lot online. Really hard to locate, you know, which relay and which fuse. So all that research I did all that research for you. Hope that helps. Just I like to put out like a this is what I did video. It's not a how-to, it's not step-by-step, but it's a summary of what I went through. And I believe that I fixed it, but I never know. I still have to drive the car. I just reset the codes. So there you go. That's all I got for now.